I'm Crafting Vicky here with you, and today I want to share with you a purchase that I made from Jessica over at a Cool Mom. I'm a Cool Mom, and it's her junk trunk kit, the January one. I know that you've probably seen a lot of on enveloping of those, but I still wanted to share with you guys. Whenever I'm going to be making purchases on Etsy, I'm going to try to share it with all of you, just because I think it's important to support fellow crafters, and you know, they're small businesses and not those big commercial things, so thought it'd be nice. So here is, this is yummy. Should see the shine on this thing. It's beautiful. So these are to be used, I guess, with as a cover. And I saw Leanne from Creatively Free to Be Me to make one. In her case, she glued it. I'm thinking that I probably will sew it. So this is the Retro Vibes, and she's also got, when you purchase the kit, there's also the oh, this is special. There's also a video that comes with it, and I haven't watched the video yet because I didn't have my stuff, and it's kind of annoying to have seen what you can do when you can't actually do it because you don't have the material. So this is a nice glassine bag, love that. And then you've got the layaway tags, a guest check, some game pieces of Pictionary, a little notebook page from the timer, and then some blank pages. It's very cool. And then this is from Amour Fabric. It's also, she also includes some things that are from other shops, and so this is kind of fun. I'm gonna have to enter to this. See, the winner will take place live on YouTube January 14th, so too late, I can't play. Sucks. That's okay. Still beautiful items in there. This is from old recipe book. And then you've got some fabric. Very pretty vintage retro looking fabrics, and some buttons. Should be cool as a closure, I guess. I'm not quite sure yet how I'm going to use this. This is from Above Park Craft. Your time is up. I like that. That's very cool. That could go into my clock, my watch Almes journal. And there's these little tags. It's cute too. And then you've got the business card. This is fun. And then there's these pages, poem, best loved poem, very cool. You can feel, sorry, I sniffed it. Yeah, you can smell that it's from an old book, kind of fun. So these are from recipe books. I love these, people. Some ledger paper. Oh, I like this envelope, very fun. Some coffee dyed paper. And then you've got some of her printables. They're beautiful. I love the how they're printed. They're all shiny and very cool. I'm gonna have to blow my nose again. I like this one. If you want breakfast in bed, sleep in the kitchen. Wonderful. Then you've got some Victorian Gypsy Girl sari ribbon and a bunch of goodies that you can use to make a charm. Looking forward to learning how to do that. And then you've got a bunch of different lace here and some cord to use for your journal. Very pretty. So lots of fun stuff. I will be putting down in the description below the link to Jessica's channel on YouTube. You probably already all know her, and the link to her Etsy store. I know that she had some January kits left, but by now they're probably all gone. But soon she'll have the February kit up for sale. So yeah, support your fellow artists, guys. It's you know, somebody was asking me if you make money on Etsy. Well, in my case I don't. Some people might if they're big, if they make a lot of stuff. Maybe Jessica will be one of those, but there's a lot of hard work that goes into making stuff like this, so it's nice if you can support them instead of purchasing from big box stores like Michael's and stuff. Not that I don't love Michael's, but yeah, it's kind of nice to support the little ones. So that is it. Bye everyone.